Welcome to Kalindi Enterprise, manufacturer and supplier of optical frames, kitchenwares, castings, and screws. The company was founded in 2010 at Rajkot. World-class infrastructure and vast industry knowledge make us unique in the industry. Client-centric approach, tamper-proof packaging and timely delivery of orders make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a vast range of CI, aluminum, and aluminum die castings. Our optical frames, SGI, and machine castings are best in the industry amongst others. We offer optical frames and aluminum kitchenwares that are widely acclaimed in the market. Brass, industrial, and metal screws offered by us are some of our best-selling products. Along with that, we offer Phillips, steel, and slotted screws that are well known for their durability. We also provide brass calbata for kitchen uses that are a class apart. To get more details, please visit our website www.kalindi.co.